Hi you guys, welcome to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Javis, and with me today I have Addison, and she's going to be helping us demonstrate some handstands as well as some drills that you guys can be doing at home to help with your handstands. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more tutorials and how-tos coming up. Addison is going to show us what a beautiful handstand should look like, and then we will get to breaking it down. Good, nice strong arms, head is neutral, legs are straight, and toes are pointed. Beautiful. Thanks, Addison. First, for our handstands, we want to make sure we have a really strong lunge. So go ahead, step into your lunge. Good, nice, shoulders are over our knee, over our toe. Nice straight line from our fingertips all the way to this back leg. Tight hamstring here, tight quad, tight butt, and squeezing there. Notice her arms are behind her ears, not reaching for the floor. Very nice. From here, we want to go into a nice lever. So in our lever, our fingertips and our toe want to stay in a straight line as we rotate our body forward over this bent knee. So go ahead, nice and controlled. Good, and back up. Oh, keep that leg bent the whole time. One more time, straight line. Good, and back. To make sure that we're able to control our body and move it as one piece. Next is the kick up into the handstand. So go ahead, step into a nice strong lunge. We're gonna lever forward, keeping this leg bent. As our hands touch the ground, we push off of this leg up into our handstand. Good, come back down. Let's try that one more time. Really keep this leg bent as you lever. And push. Yes, there it is. When we're in our handstand here, we want to be pushing through our shoulders and our fingertips, as well as keeping our eyes looking that way. Our head does not want to look at our hands. Addison, look at your hands. We don't want this. And tuck your chin. We want a nice, tight body line the whole way through. A really great drill for beginners to get used to going upside down and supporting themselves on their hands are donkey kicks. So we'll put our arms up by our ears. Yep, chin stays tucked, and we'll just kind of bend and push off of our feet and kick our butt. You don't have to go all the way up like that. You can just kick your butt and kind of punch back into it repeatedly. So feet together. Yep, arms to the ground. Kick your butt and back to this position. And back to, yep, and keep going. Do it a couple times. This will help get them stronger and more confident going upside down. Next, to reinforce a good lever into our handstand, we'll do lever handstand kicks. So we'll go nice and controlled into our lever, reach, and kick, and back down. Nice and controlled the entire way, keeping a straight line from our fingertips to a toe. Do that again. That was really nice. Keep it bent, little kick, and back down. Very good. From here, we will use the wall for an assisted wall handstand. I like to have their stomach and head facing the wall so that they're really making sure to engage through their shoulders. So you can start by walking up here, good, and nice and tight core. Chin is neutral, legs are straight. Hips should be off of the wall. That tells me her core is engaged and she's tucking them under rather than letting it relax and having her hips on the wall. Holding here for 10 to 15 seconds just to continue to build strength and confidence upside down. And step down to the side. Really nice job. Next, we'll do an unassisted wall handstand. So this one, you'll use that nice strong lever to kick up into a handstand with your back on the wall. You'll use the wall to support you and stabilize you. From here, you'll pull one leg away from the wall and get comfortable there. As you feel stronger, you can start to pull both feet away from the wall and see if you can hold it. Okay, just to get used to holding a handstand all by yourself for a short duration of time. Our final step is a freestanding handstand. If you have somebody at home who can help you, that would be ideal. Otherwise, make sure we're always on a soft surface like an air track, so that in case we fall, it's a nice squishy landing. Nice strong lunge, and we're gonna lever into it. I'm going to support her, and we're just gonna squeeze here. Very nice body lines, good core engagement, and step out of it using that same lever we started with. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. A huge thank you to Addison for being such a good demonstrator. A couple things to remember: always make sure we have a soft surface to perform this on, and have somebody supervising you or to help you along, spotting you, grabbing your ankles in those handstands. Be sure to subscribe for my channel for more tutorials and how-tos. Bye guys.